Hola clase, bienvenidos. En esta lección hoy van a aprender el pretérito de los verbos que cambian de raíz en la tercera persona singular y plural. So today in this lesson, you're going to learn the preterite of some stem changing verbs that only do the stem change in the third person singular and plural. So that's the ustedes, ellos, ellas form, the plural, and the usted, el, ella, the singular form. Okay, and all of these verbs are IR ending verbs, so they're going to have the regular IR preterite endings, the IR verb preterite endings. Okay, so all you're going to do is change the stem in the third person singular and plural. And this first group that we're going to focus on is the E to I stem changing verbs. Okay, so let's take the verb pedir, which is to order or to ask for, and we'll conjugate this. So in the yo form, pedí, I ordered or I asked for. The to form, pediste, you ordered or you asked for. And this usted o ella form, this is what's going to change in the stem. You're going to replace that E with an I. So your new stem is pid, and then you'll add the yo ending. So pidió is the you formal he or she ordered or asked for. Okay, then the nosotros form, back to the regular stem. So pedimos, we ordered or we asked for. And then the vosotros form, the same regular stem. Pedisteis, you all ordered or asked for in Spain only. And then now the stem change for the ustedes, ellos, ellas form. Change the E to I in the stem. Pidieron, you all or they asked for or ordered. All right, bien. So now let me read you a list of some other verbs that stem change. And like I said, these are all IR ending verbs. Okay, so the first one is conseguir, and that means to get or obtain. Divertirse, and that's to have fun. The next one, preferir, to prefer. Repetir, to repeat. Seguir is to continue or to follow. Servir, to serve. And vestirse, to get dressed. Okay, so let's conjugate another one of these stem changing verbs in the third person, singular and plural. And let's look at the verb preferir, which is to prefer. And in this verb, there's two E's in the stem. Some verbs have more than one E in the stem, and you might wonder which one you're going to stem change. And it's always going to be the second one, okay? Or the one in the syllable next to the ending, the next to the last syllable ending. But it's always the second vowel, okay, of the next syllable, and the next syllable. All right, so let's conjugate this. So in the yo form, preferí, I preferred, preferí. The to form, preferiste, Okay, then the usted o ella form, stem change. So that second E you're going to replace with an I. So prefir, not prefer, but prefirió, you formal he or she preferred. Okay, the nosotros form, back to the regular stem, preferimos, the vosotros form, preferisteis, you all preferred in Spain only. And then the ustedes, ellos, ellas form, back to that stem change, prefirieron, you all or they preferred. All right, muy bien. So now the other verbs, there's two other verbs that stem change, but they have O's in the stem. So instead of an I, you're going to replace the O with a U. Okay, so let's conjugate dormir. So again, regular stem in the yo form, dormí. Dormí, I slept. Dormiste, the to form. Dormiste, you slept. Then we stem change. Replace the O with the U. Durmió. Durmió for the usted el ella form. So you slept or he or she slept. The nosotros form back to the regular stem. Dormimos. Dormimos, we slept. The vosotros form. Dormisteis. Dormisteis, you all slept in Spain only. And then again, the stem change for the ustedes, ellos, ellas form. So durmieron, durmieron, you all, or they slept. Okay, and the same thing happens with the verb morir. When you conjugate that, morir means to die. Like you could say, I died of laughter, or I died of embarrassment. You know, it's kind of hard to say I died last night, but you can, like, I died of shame. Okay, so anyway, these are the verbs that stem change in the third person, singular and plural. That ends this lesson. So nos veremos en la próxima. Chao.